Hi Virgo, welcome back to my channel. This is Triple Two Tarot Readings, and this reading is gonna be for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for the month of December 2020 in regards of love, career, and finances. We're gonna see what your person is thinking about you. Will they come back? Will they contact you? Will they communicate? Do they miss you? We're gonna see all of that. Let's see what we have for Virgo. Spirits, please give me messages about Virgo. Virgo, keep in mind this is a general reading, so it may or may not gonna resonate for each Virgo out there. So take what is resonating with you and leave the rest, Virgo. Let's see. Virgo, you can check your other signs as well if you want, only if you want. Let's see. Okay, so some kind of reconciliation is coming in the month of December for you. Yes, someone is planning something. They are planning something big, maybe. They are coming back with a gift, with a surprise. You can be dealing with the Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio. So, someone is coming back from your past to reconcile with you. Maybe it's your past person who wants a new beginning with you. They want to offer you love. They are coming back. Let's see. Okay, so someone is waiting here. Maybe you are waiting for your past person to reconcile with you. A message, you are waiting for a message, for a phone call, maybe. Okay. Virgo, keep in mind time is fluid, so these energies can be past energies. So yeah, take what is resonating with you. Someone is waiting here. Maybe you are waiting, maybe your past person is waiting for you to communicate with them. Ace of Wands. With the Ace of Wands, very good job opportunities are coming in your way. If it's a love offer, it's a very good love offer. If your past person is coming back, they are transformed now and they are coming back to reconcile with you. They want a new beginning with you, and now they are transformed. They are changing themselves for you. Okay, the lover. You could be dealing with a Gemini as well. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah. So yeah, they are seeing you as their soulmate. They are seeing you as their soulmate, the lovers. They want to offer you love. They are your soulmate. They are your twin flame. Very long term offer, very good offer is coming towards you. But some kind of waiting is going on. Maybe your person is waiting for the right time. Maybe your person is waiting for the right time. Yeah. So you are ending your past cycle. You are ending your past cycle and you are going to have a new love in your life. If you are not ending your past cycle, you could be dealing with the Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Let's see. The Devil. So your past, the relationship was very bad. Devil was running your relationship in the past and that was very bad. You could be dealing with the Capricorn as well. And now you are moving away from your past and having a new love in your life. Take what is resonating with you. Let's see. King of Wands, you are focused on your work, your finances, your goals. Yeah, you are the King of Swords now. Maybe this person hurt you in the past and now you just don't want to share your energy with this person and you are moving away. You will not give this person a second chance. You are like this King of Swords that if this person will come in my way, I will cut him or her off because this person betrayed me in the past and now why this person coming towards me with a love offer. Maybe you are thinking that. Let's see. Okay, someone is very sad without you, Virgo. Someone is very sad. They are getting their traumas. They are getting their karma. They are having sleepless nights without you, Virgo. They want to offer you love. They are coming back to offer you love very soon. They want family with you. They want to be complete with you. And yes, they want this. They are seeing you as their soulmate. They want children with you. You are very girded up in energy. You don't want to give this person a second chance. You are ready to attack them back because you think this person cheated me, betrayed me in the past. Now I will not give him or her a second chance. And yeah, you are very girded up. You want to spend some time alone. This is your energy. Wheel of Fortune. Your good days are coming back. Your good days are coming back. You will be taking a good decision, right decision. You could be, yeah, let's see. Yeah, you are walking away, but I have to tell you that you should give your past person a second chance. But it's your choice, I know. But your past person is coming back with a very good energy. They are not that person who like they are in the past, but they are transformed now. They became a good person now. So you are walking away because you think this person didn't give you what you deserved in the situation. So you are walking away. King of Cups. A businessman kind of energy is coming towards you. A businessman is coming towards you, who is very hardworking, balanced person, who is very balanced. Like, yeah. Let's see. They are seeing you as their star. Your past person is seeing you as their star. They conflicted you in the past, they confused you in the past, but now they are transformed. They are regretting, they are guilty. They are waiting for you to communicate with them. If you will not go to your past person, they're gonna come. But they are waiting for the right time, I must say. Yes, you are not seeing this offer. You are focused on your work, your finances, your goals. Maybe new and old love are coming in the same day or same time. The Emperor, you are sitting on your throne. You are a very great person now. You could be dealing with a Libra. Yeah, Aries, Leo, Sag. It could be any sign. So your past person and a new love offer is coming in the month of December 2020. Let's see. Okay, let's put some love notes now. What spirits wants to say you. Let's see what spirits want to say you. Let's see. Options are coming in your way. I just said that. I know. Forget the past. Okay. It can be a message for some of you. Your person wants you back now. Your past person still feels a connection with you. Release your ex and move ahead. New beginning. So, okay, you can take what is resonating with you. Okay, let's do singles now. I hope you got your message. And now let's do singles. Okay, singles, let's do your reading now. Let's see what we have for you. Singles, I'm doing your reading another day, so that's why everything is changed here, so don't wonder about it. Let's see what we have for singles. Virgo. Let's see what we have for Virgo. Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. What kind of connection is coming in? What kind of connection is coming? The Emperor. Wow, very great person is coming towards you. Very good, very long term offer is coming towards you. This man want children's with you. They want a long term marriage. They want to complete you like this. Yes, they want to offer you love. They will heal your past wounds. You will be having two options in your near future. You have to choose between them. You have to choose wisely. You are also waiting for this connection, so your wait is over. Finally, a very good connection is coming your way. Some of you are not seeing this offer. You have to see this offer if you want new love in your life. A marriage proposal is coming in your way, a very long term. A commitment is coming in your way finally, and yes, you have to accept it. For some of you, it can be your ex. If it will be your ex, you have to reject this offer because your ex is coming with a very immature energy. They will betray you again, but your new offer is very good. You have to go to your new love. Okay, That's what I'm seeing in the cards. Okay, so we have more. Very balanced person is coming towards you. Very balanced. Okay, if your past person will come, they will betray you again, they will hurt you again, they will break your heart again. But this new love offer is very balanced. A businessman, a very good, satisfied person is coming in your way. So yeah. Okay singles, that's what I had for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Bless you all.